Rose. A flower with soft, layered petals and a sweet scent, often a symbol of love. She received a bouquet of red roses on her birthday. Tulip. A cup-shaped flower that blooms in spring and comes in many bright colors. The garden was full of colorful tulips in April. Sunflower. A tall flower with a large yellow head that turns to face the sun. The sunflower field stretched across the hillside. Daisy. A small flower with white petals and a yellow center. She picked a daisy from the meadow. Lily. An elegant flower with large, trumpet-shaped petals. White lilies decorated the wedding hall. Orchid. A delicate, exotic flower known for its unusual shapes and colors. He gave her a rare purple orchid as a gift. Daffodil. A yellow spring flower with a trumpet-shaped center. Daffodils bloomed along the garden path in early spring. Carnation. A ruffled flower with a spicy sweet scent, common in bouquets. He wore a white carnation on his jacket for the ceremony. Marigold. A bright orange or yellow flower often used in festivals and gardens. Strings of marigolds decorated the temple entrance. Peony. A large, full flower with soft, ruffled petals. The bride carried a bouquet of pink peonies. Hydrangea. A flower that grows in large rounded clusters of small blooms. Blue hydrangeas lined the front porch. Lavender. A small purple flower known for its calming fragrance. The scent of lavender filled the quiet garden. Iris. A flower with tall, sword-shaped leaves and striking petals. Purple irises grew along the edge of the pond. Chrysanthemum. A round, layered flower that blooms in autumn. The chrysanthemums added color to the fall display. Poppy. A delicate flower with thin, papery petals, often bright red. A field of red poppies stretched across the hillside. Lotus. A large flower that grows on the surface of still water. A pink lotus floated peacefully on the pond. Hibiscus. A large, trumpet-shaped tropical flower. A bright red hibiscus bloomed by the porch. Jasmine. A small white flower known for its strong sweet fragrance. The smell of jasmine drifted through the evening air. Violet. A small purple flower with a gentle, sweet scent. Wild violets grew along the shaded path. Pansy. A small flower with soft, overlapping petals in many colors. She planted pansies along the garden border. Petunia. A trumpet-shaped flower that blooms in bright, cheerful colors. Petunias spilled over the edge of the hanging basket. Zinnia. A colorful, long-lasting flower with layered petals. The zinnias added bright color to the summer garden. Dahlia. A flower with tightly layered petals arranged in a striking pattern. The dahlia won first prize at the flower show. Magnolia. A large, fragrant flower that blooms on a flowering tree. The magnolia tree bloomed early this spring. Camellia. A glossy-leaved shrub with rose-like blooms. A pink camellia bloomed near the garden gate. Gardenia. A creamy white flower known for its rich, sweet perfume. The gardenia's fragrance filled the whole room. Bluebell. A small bell-shaped blue flower that grows in woodlands. The forest floor was covered in bluebells each spring. Buttercup. A small, glossy yellow flower found in fields and meadows. The children picked buttercups in the meadow. Snapdragon. A tall flower with blooms that look like little dragon mouths. Snapdragons lined the edge of the flower bed. Aster. A star-shaped flower that blooms in late summer and fall. Purple asters bloomed along the garden path in September. Begonia. A flower with waxy leaves and colorful, delicate blooms. She hung a basket of pink begonias on the porch. Geranium. A hardy flower with rounded clusters of bright blooms. Red geraniums filled the window boxes. Foxglove. a tall flower with bell-shaped blooms growing along a single stem. Foxgloves towered over the rest of the cottage garden. Freesia, a fragrant flower known for its trumpet-shaped blooms on a curved stem. The bouquet was filled with sweet-smelling freesias. Anemone, a flower with delicate petals surrounding a dark center. Anemones swayed gently in the spring breeze. Crocus, a small flower that is often one of the first to bloom in spring. The first crocus appeared through the melting snow. Gladiolus, a tall flower spike covered in many bright blooms. Gladiolus stalks stood tall in the back of the garden. Hyacinth, a fragrant flower with tightly packed blooms on a single stalk. The hyacinth's sweet smell filled the entryway. Larkspur, a tall flower with spiky clusters of blue or purple blooms. Larkspur added height to the back of the flower bed. Lilac, a fragrant shrub with clusters of small purple flowers. The lilac bush filled the yard with its sweet scent. Morning Glory, a climbing vine flower that opens fresh blooms each morning. The Morning Glory vine wound around the wooden fence. Primrose, an early blooming flower with soft, rounded petals. Primroses were among the first flowers to appear in the garden. Ranunculus, a flower with many delicate, tightly layered petals. The bouquet featured soft pink ranunculus blooms. Snowdrop, a small white flower that blooms even in late winter snow. Snowdrops pushed through the frosty ground in February. Sweet pea, a climbing flower known for its delicate petals and sweet scent. Sweet peas climbed up the garden trellis. Wisteria, a climbing vine with long, hanging clusters of purple flowers. Wisteria draped gracefully over the garden archway. Yarrow, a flower with flat clusters of tiny blooms atop a tall stem. Yarrow grew wild along the edge of the field. Amaryllis, a large, trumpet-shaped flower that blooms on a tall, bare stem. The amaryllis bloomed bright red just in time for winter. Azalea, a flowering shrub covered in clusters of bright blooms in spring. The azalea bushes burst into color in April. Bird of Paradise, a tropical flower shaped like a colorful bird in flight. The bird of paradise added a striking touch to the garden. Bougainvillea, a climbing plant with vivid papery blooms. Bright pink bougainvillea covered the courtyard wall. Calla lily, an elegant flower with a smooth, curved, trumpet-shaped petal. The bride carried a single white calla lily. Cherry blossom, a delicate pink flower that blooms briefly on cherry trees each spring. Cherry blossoms drifted down like pink snow. Clematis, a climbing vine flower with large, star-shaped blooms. Clematis vines climbed up the wooden trellis. Cosmos, a tall, airy flower with delicate petals around a bright center. Cosmos flowers swayed gently in the summer breeze. Cyclamen, a flower with swept-back petals that rise above heart-shaped leaves. A potted cyclamen sat on the windowsill. Dandelion, a small yellow flower that later turns into a puff of seeds. She blew the seeds off a dandelion and made a wish. Delphinium, a tall flower with dense spikes of blue or purple blooms. Delphiniums towered at the back of the flower bed. Edelweiss, a small white flower found high in mountain regions. They spotted Edelweiss growing along the rocky mountain trail. Forget-me-not, a tiny blue flower often given as a symbol of remembrance. She planted forget-me-nots along the garden path. Gerbera daisy, a large, brightly colored daisy with bold, round petals. A vase of Gerbera daisies brightened the kitchen table. Heather, a low shrub covered in tiny purple or pink blooms. Purple heather covered the hillside in late summer. Honeysuckle, a fragrant climbing vine with tube-shaped flowers. The scent of honeysuckle filled the summer evening. Impatiens, a shade-loving flower that blooms in bright, delicate colors. Impatiens filled the shady corner of the garden with color. Ixora, a tropical shrub with clusters of small, bright blooms. The Ixora bush burst with orange blooms all summer. Jonquil, a fragrant, narrow-leaved relative of the daffodil. Jonquils bloomed early along the garden fence. Kalanchoe, a succulent plant with clusters of small, long-lasting blooms. The kalanchoe on her desk bloomed for weeks. Lantana, a hardy flower with small, colorful clusters that attract butterflies. Butterflies gathered around the blooming lantana bush. Lisianthus, a flower with delicate, rose-like petals on a slender stem. The bouquet was filled with soft purple lisianthus. Lupine, a tall flower with dense spikes of pea-shaped blooms. Fields of lupine covered the hillside in early summer. Marsh marigold, a bright yellow flower that grows in wet, marshy areas. Marsh marigolds bloomed along the edge of the stream. Milkweed, a flower known for attracting butterflies, especially monarchs. Monarch butterflies gathered around the blooming milkweed. Moonflower, a large white flower that opens at night and glows in moonlight. The moonflower bloomed just as the sun went down. Nasturtium, a bright, edible flower with round leaves and a peppery scent. Orange nasturtiums trailed along the garden edge. Passion flower, a striking flower with an intricate, layered crown of petals. The passion flower vine climbed up the garden fence. Periwinkle, a low, spreading flower with pale blue-purple blooms. Periwinkle covered the ground beneath the trees. Plumeria, a fragrant tropical flower often used in lace. The sweet scent of plumeria filled the tropical garden. Poinsettia, a festive plant with bright red leaves that resemble petals. A poinsettia decorated the table during the holidays. Protea, a bold, spiky flower native to South Africa. The protea stood out as the centerpiece of the bouquet. Queen Anne's lace, a wildflower with delicate, lace-like clusters of tiny white blooms. Queen Anne's lace grew wild along the country road. Rhododendron, a flowering shrub with large clusters of bold blooms. The rhododendron bush was covered in pink blooms. Star of Bethlehem, a small white flower with star-shaped petals. Star of Bethlehem flowers dotted the spring meadow. Statice, a papery flower that keeps its color even when dried. Dried statice added color to the winter bouquet. Stock flower, a fragrant flower with tall spikes of ruffled blooms. The stock flowers gave the garden a sweet, spicy scent. Sweet William, a clustered flower with a mix of pink, red, and white blooms. Sweet William added a splash of color to the border. Thistle, a prickly plant with a spiky purple flower head. A purple thistle grew along the rocky hillside. Trillium, a woodland flower with 3 broad petals. White trillium bloomed across the shaded forest floor. Tuberose, a tall, fragrant flower with waxy white blooms. The tuberose filled the room with its rich perfume. Water lily, a flat, floating flower that blooms on the surface of ponds. A pink water lily floated calmly on the pond. Bleeding heart, a flower with heart-shaped blooms that dangle along an arching stem. The bleeding heart plant bloomed in the shady garden corner. Zephyr lily, a small, cup-shaped flower that often blooms after rainfall. Zephyr lilies popped up across the lawn after the storm. Aloe flower, a tall spike of tubular blooms rising from an aloe plant. The aloe plant surprised her with a tall orange flower spike. Angelonia, a tall flower with small, orchid-like blooms. Purple angelonia lined the sunny flower bed. Bellflower, a flower with soft, bell-shaped blooms. Blue bellflowers swayed gently in the breeze. Blazing star. A tall flower with fuzzy purple spikes that bloom top to bottom. Blazing star added height to the back of the garden. Candytuft. A low flower that grows in tight clusters of small white blooms. Candytuft spilled over the edge of the stone path. Cornflower. A bright blue flower once common in fields of grain. Cornflowers grew wild along the edge of the wheat field. Dianthus. A fringed flower with a spicy, clove-like scent. The dianthus added a pop of pink to the border. Echinacea. A daisy-like flower with a spiky, raised center, also known as coneflower. Bees buzzed around the purple echinacea all summer. Hollyhock. A very tall flower with large blooms lining a single towering stalk. Hollyhocks stood taller than the garden fence.